What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are in Athens at the Antique Tractor Show. It's Antique Machinery Show. And me and Keely are going to walk around. We're going to show you some stuff. And maybe we can get some people to talk to us.
Yeah.
What do you think, Keely? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. All right, so you got things everywhere.
Yeah, because the tractor tow, I think, is almost here.
Yeah, this is the tractor show.
Yeah.
Yep. So what this is it's a group in our local town, and they bring back to life pieces of history. You know, it's all older farm equipment. Like this one here, it's a 1940 case. You guys can see that, and they restore them, and then it's an actual club. It's the Athens Tractor Club or something of that nature. I'm not 100% on that, but and they go through and it's all antique stuff. Yeah, it's Athens County Antique Machinery Club is what it's called. That's it. There we go. Okay, so we'll walk around and we'll see what they got. Cover your mouth, okay?
Daddy. We'll walk around, guys.
What is it?
We are not walking around all the tractor.
Yeah. So, what? Don't hold it close to your mouth. But so, what do you think of all the tractors?
I like them.
You like coming to see all the different tractors?
Yep.
Yeah.
I like it because my best friend who might see me today.
Yeah.
Who might? I don't really know if it's real or not.
And down here we have the Coyote dealer, local Coyote dealer here in Athens. You know, they're just like, excuse me, they're just like the Kubota tractors, different brand. They come down. They're actually out of Nelsonville, Ohio. They sell mowers, tractors, attachments. This little tractor with the cab on it, that would be ideal for the house, wouldn't it, Keely?
Yeah.
And of course, you know, just like everything else, they have their side-by-sides. But let's walk over here and see what they got going on. So over here they make, this is a cornmeal. They take corn. This is Willoughby's. They make cornmeal. They make corn flour. They do it all right here. Maybe we'll come back and see if we can talk to somebody after a bit. And over here, they're crushing rocks and sawing wood. Yeah. They just shut the sawmill down. But we're going to come over here. They're actually baling up hay. You can see where they shut it down, but they've been sawing for 2 days over here, making planks. You can see their planks that they're making. They're all run off of coal steam engines. There we go. We'll come over here and watch them bale some hay for a minute. So you see another coal steam engine here. I think that's what they are. Don't quote me on it. I'm almost positive that's what they are. And then they've got this big belt that runs from the machine all the way over. Oh, they're baling straw. And then you have one person loads it, one person carries it. Let's see if I can stand over here and watch them do it. You see the gentleman on the right is actually feeding the wire in. As he feeds it in, he'll tie the bale up. All done by hand. See, he comes over here. Yep, they can make. She said they can make little bales and big bales.
A little one might be tied the big one.
Yep. Yep. Oh, slip out of his wire. I'll show you the little bale she was talking about. So here's there. So here's big bales, of course. And they also make little decorative bales from the same machine. But, all right, Keely, what do you think? You ready to go find something else to watch?
Yeah.
All right, let's go see what else we can find. All right, so here's the little machine we were talking to you about. Well, I showed you the little bale, and I said it's not the same machine. But here is the little decorative bale maker. You can see how small it is compared to the other one behind it. It looks big because it's closer, but it's not the same size. And then it runs off this Waterloo boy down here, which is another hit and miss engine. So, and then down here, got the John Deere 60. There we go. They're actually unhooking it, it looks like. Come on, Keely. We'll come back around when they get it up and going here. Okay, guys, I apologize. My phone got hot and quit, so that's all I got. We also, when I went to go sit down and let my phone cool down, we had some family issues happen, so we couldn't go back out and record. But thanks for watching. You know, we always appreciate you guys stopping in and watching our videos. Thank you for the new subscribers. If you're not subscribed, please think about it. And God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one.